Notorious asks, is border crossing card proof of legal entry for adjustment of status? Well, okay, let's talk about this. If you're from Mexico, because the Mexican population is come and go so much in the United States, they created a tourist visa called the border crossing card, which says with the card, if you come in by car or walking into the United States, you can come in with that card up to 20 miles or 50 miles or something, depending on which state you're coming in, and go. Because a lot of times people in Mexico come shop in the United States, get some gas in the United States, and go back. So they wanted to make it easy for them. Usually if you enter the United States, they issue what's called a Form I-94, which is a record of entry. But because when you're entering at a land border, there's so many people coming, they don't always do it. I mean, usually don't do it, especially for a border crossing card. If you flew into the United States, your border crossing card becomes just a typical B2 visa, and they will create an online I-94 of your entry. But let's assume that you entered by land, so there's no I-94 admission, so there's no online proof that you entered. There may be in your travel history on the CBP website there. But, and you probably didn't get a stamp your passport because, again, at the border they're so busy, they don't typically stamp all the passports. On its face, yeah, border crossing card, according to USCIS policy manual, is evidence that you enter lawfully because you had a visa. Why would you? So it is, I prefer not to use it. I'll try to find evidence of you coming or letters and affidavits as backup, but it can be used as as evidence of legal entry, and USCIS policy manual says it as well. And it technically should work, but I'm hesitant because government's the government, they're unreliable, there's discretion, so I'd want to know the whole facts. But on its face, the policy manual says that could be proof of lawful entry, secondary proof that's major evidence. Because the reality is, why would you sneak your way in and come in without permission when you have a document that says you can come in with permission? It doesn't make sense why you'd sneak in. So it is permitted use, but again, I would need to see your whole case, see how I feel about the whole situation before I'll tell you to do something like that. Thank you for watching this educational program. To get the latest videos, click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon. Also, help us help the immigrant community by liking this video and sharing it with your family and friends. You can also find us on other social media sites like Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Twitter, where you find the latest updates on immigration news, policy changes, and tips. Be safe and God bless. See you soon.